नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन मंडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस फेस्ड अर्ली सेलिंग प्रेशर but staged a recovery to close in the green. The Dow led the gains with 0.32% rise, while the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 inched up by 0.09% each. Currently, the S&P 500 is trading above its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the index is likely to continue its northward journey and test the level of 6020 in the short term. While on the downside, the support is shifted higher in the zone of 5890 to 5870 levels. Talking about Brent crude has been oscillating near its 20-day EMA level since the last three trading sessions. Going ahead, the 63.2 to $63 will act as an immediate support, with the 50-day EMA zone of 66.3 to $66.5 acting as a crucial hurdle. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index dipped below the 20-day EMA level on Monday. Going ahead, the zone of 101.2 to 101.4 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 99.5 to 99.3 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, after a sharp upside rally, the benchmark index Nifty has entered into a consolidation phase over the past two trading sessions. It has been oscillating within a narrow 154-point range, forming small-bodied candles that reflect indecision and a temporary pause in momentum. The momentum indicators and oscillators are reflecting a similar trend, with the daily RSI and MACD histogram remaining flat over the past two trading sessions. आगे जाके 25,070 टू 25,100 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल की तरह काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 25,100 के ऊपर सस्टेनेबली ट्रेड करता है तो एक अपसाइड रैली देखने को मिल सकता है, जो पहले 25,230 तक जा सकता है और उसके बाद 25,380 तक भी पहुंच सकता है। वही अगर डाउनसाइड की बात करें तो 24,880 टू 24,850 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,850 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो अगला सपोर्ट 24,700 के लेवल पर देखने को मिलेगा। On the derivatives front, the Bay futures dipped by 0.41%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also dipped by 0.37%. The 25,000 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 25,100 strike. On the put side, the 24,900 has a substantial open interest, followed by 24,800 strike. For the weekly series, OI PCR is at 0.60. अगर हम बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें, the bank nifty marked a high of 55,695 and thereafter witnessed a minor correction. Finally, it has ended at the 55,420 level with a gain of 0.12%. On the daily scale, it has formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow, which indicates selling pressure at higher levels. आगे जाके 55,100 to 55,000 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेगा, जबकि अपसाइड में 55,600 to 55,700 का जोन एक की हर्डल के रूप में एक्ट करने की संभावना है। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex has been trading in a narrow range for the past two sessions, forming small-bodied candles that indicate indecision in the market after a sharp upside rally. आगे जाके 81,700 to 81,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही अपसाइड में 82,400 to 82,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.41% and the open interest of the current series has also dipped by 11.33%, which indicates an overall long unwinding. The 82,500 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 83,000 strike. On the put side, 82,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 81,500 strike. The OI PCR is at 0.7. Talking about the key market indicators, अगर हम इंडिया विक्स की बात करें, so the volatility gauge took support near its 100-day EMA level and thereafter witnessed a smart rebound. Finally, it ended the session at 17.35 with a gain of 4.86%. Going ahead, the zone of 18 to 18.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while 15.8 to 15.5 will act as a crucial support. The advance decline ratio is largely tilted in the favor of advancers. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty, automobile, capital market, metal, PSU banks and realty space are likely to outperform in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data, in the cash segment, both FIs and DIs were net sellers yesterday to the tune of 526 crores and 238 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 42.32 as on a net basis they sold 263 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.